Welcome. Please access your note catcher for today using the provided link or QR code. This is a video about the process of unpacking a unit. You will need to take ownership of pausing the video and doing the work. You may find that you need to rewind and repeat portions of this session, and that is okay.
Here you can see the year-long module timeline. Today, we begin to unpack Module 4. Looking at the K-5 scope for building background knowledge, we are entering the topic for Module 4, which is highlighted here.
Focuses on the impact of natural disasters. The guiding questions are, how do natural disasters affect people and places? And how can we prepare for them? Read the module guiding questions on the screen. In your note catcher, I have linked the video and the unit overview. Pause this video and reflect after you read the unit overview and/or watch the video. What will students be most excited about in this unit? What will bring students joy? What will be most challenging for students? What logistical considerations are important to plan for when delivering this learning? What scaffolds or supports will you need to implement this unit? It will be important to share your findings as a PLC. This work generally takes approximately 30 minutes to complete. Please pause the video now.
Time for backwards planning. We will examine the mid and end of unit assessments to understand the rigor and level of learning required.
Assessments yourself as a learner and record what students will need to do in the do column for the mid-unit assessment and end of unit assessment linked in your note catcher. Pause the video until you are ready to continue. This generally takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Now that you have the do column complete, pause the video again and jot down what students will need to know to achieve this level of action in the no column for the mid and end of unit assessments. Pause the video until you are ready to continue. This generally takes about 15 to 20 minutes. The do and no columns filled out. You have a foundation for understanding the prerequisites and actions required for student success. Take a moment and pause this video so that you have time now to discuss as a PLC and team. You'll want to keep this in your planning room or lesson planning to reference in weekly planning. This diagram illustrates the curriculum flow, showing the balance between teacher-driven and student-driven activities within the module lessons and the all block. Let's look at all block now. Look at how the all block supports the unit work using the unit at a glance located in your all block expansion teacher manuals linked into your agenda. This includes components like fluency, writing, and independent reading. Find your unit at a glance now and write a gist statement of what they are doing in each component. Pause the video until you are ready to continue. This generally takes about 15 to 20 minutes. When all of you team members are done, be sure to share out your findings. Now that you've unpacked both modules and all block, take a moment to stop and reflect. Do you have any additional notes to add to your reflections on what will excite or challenge students? Please pause the video now. Thank you for experiencing today's session. Today you saw that lessons and standards are interconnected, so plan accordingly. Reference your work when planning, and use ongoing data to inform instruction.